Good morning, guys! Happy Saturday, everyone! Today is the day. Yesterday, sa vlog natin, pinakita ko na natuklasan ko itong envelope na ito. And it is my pamper day today. I cannot wait! I'm so excited, guys. So, naghilamos lang ako. And, at the moment, dinala ni Daddy Mike si Baby Celine sa labas to grab some coffee. And when they come back, aalis kami. So, Ate Paris, nakabihis na. And, hinihintay ko lang sa Daddy Mike na makabalik. Tapos, aalis din kami. So, I have my appointment in Newstead. Thai touch massage and day spa. 12 o'clock. And it's going to be, 2 hours. So, Daddy Mike will mind the kids habang si mami nyo ay magpapapamper. I haven't done it for, I don't know, I can't remember anymore, guys. So, I'm so excited na gawin to ulit because alam nyo ba, guys, yun nga yesterday na mention ko na masakit yung paa ko. And this parang deal na binili ni Daddy Mike for me is including na yung foot massage, whole body massage, and also a facial. So, kaya hindi ako ngayon naglagay ng makeup. Naglagay ng cream, tapos sunscreen, of course. Hindi mawawala ang sunscreen. Kasi alam niyo naman, have a look at our melasma. Tapos pala ako, nag-eyebrow. Sinulatan ko ang ating eyebrows. Yun lang, wala nang iba. Kasi magpa-facial tayo, so there's no use to maglagay ng makeup na ganyan. So, very easy, hindi ako nag-rush kasi lang naman tayo. Natural lang naman tayo. Ito yung pa-outfit natin today. Ayan, so white shirt, tapos yung aking pink skirt, tapos flats. Very messy na naman dito. Uy! Si Paris kasi kanina princess ba? Hindi naman binalik. Very messy. So, ano kaya ang gagamitin natin bag today? Today, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Maybe this one. Oh, maybe this. Pink. Ang pink. What do you think, guys? Bagay ba sa outfit natin? Ayokong anuhin to kasi very, ibibenta ko pa to. Ayokong madumihan. Guys, kung sino yan dyan sa inyo mga taga-Australia, bilhin nyo na to. This is Gucci Boston bag. Hindi ko to siya ginagamit kasi nga, ibibenta ko ba? Ayokong madumihan. Yung ano ko lang. Okay. Maybe I'll wear. It doesn't match. Maybe this one. Ito na lang. I love this one. I don't think I'll ever sell this handbag, guys. It's the Gucci, tawag dito vintage na to siya, pero sobrang ganda niya, guys. Hindi ko talaga to siya ibibenta ever. I think. Super love this one. Kailangan na linisan. Hindi ko na pala ito nagamit for a while. Love this one kasi meron siyang sling. Ay, hindi ko pala ito naipakita sa inyo. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog the other day. So, I went to the shop to buy the kids some, clothes ba. Kasi, lumalaki na sila. Yung kay Ate Paris, yung binili ko para sa kanya is yung pang ilalim niya sa school. Singlet. Ayan. Bumili ako ng 4 ata yung binili ko. And then, for Baby Celine, malaki na ang ating Baby Celine. She needs more. So, it's on top. It's so cute. Alam niyo ba, sa best on list ko to siya binili kasi they had 30% off nung pumunta ako. Sabi ko, Perfecto. So, this one, si tingnan nyo, it's only $6, guys. Tapos, may 30% off pa yan siya. So, marami akong nabili sa akin, $100. Kaya doon ako bumili, guys. Tipid-tipid pa more. Especially yung, daily lang nila ba? Pag daily na gamit. Ito yung match ng pants. See, this one, this is for baby Celine. Ayan. Ang ilalim niya. Kasi maginaw na, guys. It's winter na. Another one for the Paris. That's cute, actually. Baby Celine. And then, pang tulog ni baby Celine.
I'm almost finished drawing my face.
Oh, wow! That's so colorful, anak. It's beautiful. Have a look at your hair, to. Mura ka gilayog na. Shorts for baby, hindi na pa baby, Ate Paris. Ayan, pang bahay niya. And then the last one. Ayan. Guys. You're right, Ate?
Yes.
So yeah, yun lang pala. Yung mga binili ko. Let's see if I can get Celine to wear this today. I'm not sure kung mainit or sobrang cold sa labas. Maybe I'll get her to wear this. Sobrang cute nito. Yay! Pero asa na kaya sila, guys? We have to leave. It's na 11:10. Bibihisan ko pa yun sa baby Celine. Nakalimutan. Daddy Mike. We're outside now. Alam niyo ba, guys? Yeah. We are very lucky to have this kind of weather. It is winter, but have a look at this. Beautiful. It's so sunny. Hi! Say hi sa lang. Hi, guys! Ay, gosh! Very cute naman ang baby na yan, eh?
You know what today is today? Friday.
No, it's not. Friday yesterday. It's the car! It's Saturday, sweetie girl. Babe, stand. Okay, stand, baby. I'll show your outfit.
I was just thinking.
Oy, lady girl! Shh! Hi! Check na naman yung mailbox. Hi! Tingnan niyo naman ang pa-outfit, guys. Tingnan niyo naman, oh. Ha? Asan ang winter? Nak na, walang winter sa Brisbane lang, no? It's super warm, guys. Ate, come here, Bill. I'll show you our outfit. Tingnan niyo. Oh, sabi ni Daddy Mike, you don't need that jacket, but, just in case naman. Hala, very dark. Tingnan ko, may buhok lang.
And hi everyone, I made a picture and there's a fish.
Bisha.
And I put it at the post office.
Siya?
This is why I put it.
Wow, beautiful.
I printed it.
Get in the car! Quick, quick!
Because it's
Try to open the door, Ate, please.
very special because I get to see a real fish in the sea.
Okay. Okay. Open the door, Ate, for Celine, please. Ala. Ay, shush! Kaabot daw siya. Can you open your side? Hello, what's this? What's this? Right on your chin here, big girl. Whoa, push? Good girl, naman. Yes, princess. You? Ayan na. Better? We're here now, guys. Look at these three taking photos. Alright. You have fun with Daddy, okay? Tilin, Tilin? You have fun with Daddy?
Mine.
Right. Give Mommy a kiss. Get something to eat, okay? I love you. Do you want to drop me just there, Bob? Outside the thing? The massage. Okay. What's that? You look naughty there. What's that in your hand?
This here.
Okay, let's go. Drop me here. Come on. Natakot ako ng very large, guys, kasi akala ko naiwan ko yung susi na sasakyan. Sabi ko, oh my Lord. Kala ko hindi na matutuloy to. Come here na! Andyan lang, oh. Kita niyo na ba yung sign? Thai touch.
I remember this place.
Do you? It's beautiful here, guys. Oh, and the weather as well. It's amazing. Are you warm?
Yes.
Yeah. Matutulog na yan siya, guys, kasi nap time na niya. I am so excited. Smells good in here. Yeah. Gonna sit. Yes, my love. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Love the smell. Lemongrass. Yes. Lady. Lady.
Mama.
Eating sugar.
Mama.
Telling lies.
Mama.
Open your mouth.
Sweet, sweet. Auntie. Sugar. Auntie. Auntie. Open your nose.
A few moments later.
Don't stop with foot massage. Oh my god. I'm so happy. You got no idea. So this is what it looks like here. Ginagawa niya ako ng coffee. Tea pala. Tea. Time check tayo, guys. It is now 2:10 ng hapon. And kakatapos lang natin from our full body massage. After 2 hours, I am out and I feel like I'm a new person. Oh my God. Grabe. Sobrang ganda ng feeling ngayon. Like, I feel like very light. Pero, this one thing, sobrang sakit, guys. Oh my God. Alam niyo yung mga kamay ng mga masahista? They are very heavy. Like, sobrang, I can really feel and I can even hear, guys, yung parang buto-buto ko or something that umaganon talaga ba sa likuran ko. Especially yung dito ko. Oh, kasi nga siguro very tight yung mga muscles ko ba. And yung mga muscles na sobrang tense, ganun. Parang inaano nila, anong tawag doon, guys? Uy! I can't even remember the term now. Pero, oh my God. Yeah, sobrang sarap sa feeling, guys. And, andito na ako ngayon sa sasakyan. I'm just gonna give daddy mic ako kasi hindi ko alam kung asan sila. Alam niyo ba, sobrang gutom na gutom ako. So, ngayon, it's either fish and chips or gusto kong pumunta sa Filipino restaurant na malapit dito. So, yun na nga, guys. First, yung pa ako, like, foot spa was so good. Alam niyo, guys, dito yung pinakamasakit, guys. Seriously, dito, yung calves. Tapos, yung dito, yung pinakamasakit talaga na part. And, yun na nga, full body massage. So, pa oil and everything. It felt so good. And then, finish up with the facial din. So, ayan. Klarong-klaro na ang ating melasma. But, it feels so clean and refreshed lang, guys. I'm going to meet Daddy Mike and the kids here. And I think we're gonna get the fish and chips. I think ito yung sinasabi ni Daddy Mike. Sabi niya, they're around here. Look who's here. The bulingit nga ring is here.
Mommy,
Yes, anak.
how's your message?
Message?
Message.
Yeah, it was good. It's really good. My body's hurting. Oh my god, it hurts so much, yeah.
Nice time.
Yeah. Lily is sleeping, guys. Ate, sit down here.
Did they make you fly with their knee in the back and then pull you up?
No, not that one. But it has, oh my god, I could feel like, I could hear it about like that. But, yeah. Yes, anak. Sit down here next to mama.
I had for lunch.
What did you have for lunch?
Hamburger. A burger.
How about Nini? Nini eat?
She did. But she didn't eat the burger, she only had the chips.
And a drink. That's all she had.
She didn't want the burger, did she?
Yes, but I ate the burger.
You ate the whole burger.
I ate the whole burger and the whole
No, it was painful, but here. This one here. But it's burning.
burning.
I told you to make her up with that. Is she good?
Yeah.
I think I should drink. Stay here.
Stay here.
Oh my god.
Just going for a walk. So is this still Brisbane River, Daddy? That one there. That's,
It's like an attachment.
I can't feel
yeah,
the
look.
water.
Have a look. Wala, yung tubig galing sa river ba? Masok
I
dyan.
can't feel the water. Daddy, can I feel the water?
Huh?
Can I feel the water?
I don't think you can, honey. It's a bit low. So yung work ni Daddy Mike, yung office niya ay
You can actually go in.
dyan. Yung malapit sa may orange na yan. Yes.
I really want to feel the water.
Yeah, not a bit low. See? You can't reach, can you?
Okay.
Just be careful because you might fall, honey. That's the river.
Oh, it's cold.
Is that?
Feel it's so cold. Super cold.
Look. Oh yeah, it is very cold.
I didn't like it actually. This is actually a pool.
Here's the water. Looks beautiful. Okay. Kaat-kaat ang iring. Meow.
Emma? Where's Daddy?
Kamu na la, Daddy left us na.
You think I'm gonna fall?
Just do it properly, honey, and you're not gonna fall.
Well, this
Hala, nak, you can't jump there, naku. It's too high na. Come on, jump here.
can actually jump.
Whoa, good job.
I can even go higher than that. I can do rock climbing.
So, yung sa amin, guys, is... Asan nga ba yung sa amin? Oh, so remember, honey, that's where we went. Ling Ling, ate. You know when we wait for Daddy and it's night time and we're inside the car? There. Where's Malimba? You know what I'm saying doon. Ayan. So dyan guys, dyan lang yung ferry station kung saan namin pinapick up sa Daddy Mike. So across the water lang talaga. Uy, just go. Wow! Do you like it?
Mommy,
Yes, sweetheart.
I can see underwater. I can see a shark down there.
That's Malimba.
Ay, 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 ay. Mababaw?
Make sure she doesn't fall down, yeah? Dada!
Ling Ling.
I'm singing.
Ah, okay.
Can I put the song on?
Can you not start it?
Ticket. Pag up to 2 hours free, but I think we're more than 2 hours na. We'll see. Okay, maybe. Big? Maybe not 2 hours yet, that's why. Come on. They didn't let me pay. Maybe we're less than 2 hours. You reckon?
What does it say?
It just says like, take the ticket up. Let's go. Where's our car, Lynn? Linny, where's our car? Where's our car? She knows. Tingnan nyo. Basta nakahawak lang siya sa house. Okay na siya. Really? You look so funny. Lynn! Oh my goodness, anak. Ang ating parents ay tulog na tulog, guys. Dun sa ubo. Gusto yung daddy wala sa mga sasakyan. Okay, goodbye na sa imong shoes lang. Hello, how are you?
Come this way, Lily. This way. Come.
Hala na, unsa na yung shorts lang?
Come this way.
Hala na, unsa na?
Yeah!
Piot na? No. Well, Ling Ling. Good girl, Lily. Are you daddy's little helper? Oh my God. My boy. Ling Ling. Lily. Lily. Where's your tongue? It's the day after, guys. It's now Sunday, 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Wow, that was cool.
Ngayon pa kami aalis. Ngayon pa kami lalabas. We'll take the kids to the park. Yes, my love.
Pee-pee is not bouncy. This is bouncy.
Hello. Where did it go? Oh.
It looks like a robot.
Punta kami sa park na hindi pa namin napuntahan before.
I just push it down to the...
Ala, tingnan nyo. Ala, knock! Ang shoes ni Celine, guys. Tingnan nyo.
Hey guys,
What was that?
And you know what? I put it on and it was the wrong way. Mine is correct.
That's right.
I did mine by myself. I
Yeah.
did this one, but mommy did this one.
Well done, ate. No, we have to fix yours. Lini, you have to fix your shoes. Come, actually, we'll get in the car now. Honey, hi. Boo.
We found a teddy bear.
Yeah, might be dirty, anak. Dito na kami. Hala, Lini! Baba girl! Hala, yung gamit ng tatay nila ay nandito. Tingnan na picture. So remember yesterday, sa vlog natin, doon kami sa work ni Daddy Mike. It's just across the... Diyan lang. Tabok kami sa suba. Nagdala si Daddy Mike nito. Kaya ano sila ni Paris, Nicole. Daddy! They went straight there. Sis, malaki na talaga si Lini, oh. Una-una naman. So, first time din namin sa playground na ito. Last time, pabalik-balik na kami, pero dyan lang kami yung nagpa-park. Kapag hinihintay namin si Daddy Mike from work, hinihintay namin yung ferry. And minsan, pag pinipick up namin si Daddy Mike, it's normally 6 o'clock, ganun, so madilim na siya. So, first time namin nakapunta dito. Paglaro yung mga kids. Swing? Do you wanna swing? There's another swing there. Ang ganda ng ano, oh. Ganda ng view dyan, guys. Oh, diba? Tingnan nyo yung mga bahay-bahay. Hang on, anak! Just gonna show this quickly. See? Yung sa kabilang tampi ba ng suba? Mga bahay. Ayan. So, yung place na yan dyan, guys, that's Hamilton. Yan yung name. Diba? Kita pa more. Kita pa? Maganda. It's nearly 5 o'clock. Sunset na. Very soon. Umiginaw na rin siya, guys. Ay, naghintay kami kay Daddy Mike kanina sa baba. Sabi ko magdala siya ng jacket ni Celine kasi maginaw na. At tinan nyo ang dinala. Best! Kalami, ganyan paliwatan this. May kilo. Lini! Swing! Sing!
Hold on.
Rockabye, baby! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ang batang hindi nagnap. Maaga yan siya matutulog tonight ba? Tignan niyo yung mata. Woohoo! You okay?
Let Lily kick it back.
Colin! Quick!
Kick.
Kick to Daddy! Anna.
Yay! I'll never get that ball. No.
Go get it, Lynn!
Kick.
Quick! Kick to Mama!
No.
Oi. Kick.
Wow! That was a really good kick, Lini. Yay! Oh, not in the water, nak. Woo!
Oi. Oh. Kick.
Whoa.
Yeah, fast, fast, fast. Yes. What fast boy? Kick it on. Come on, pass. Pass. Gagali ni. Kapas.
Wait for her lang. Ready, steady, go! Oh, look, follow the first. Why?
Come on.
Actually, no, she's scared of this. This.
Sling, come on. Oh no. Do you want to go away? Oh no. Come on. Sling, come on. Come on.
Ayaw lang, siya nasamanto lang. Siya
Yes.
Ow. Ow. Ush.
Oh.
One more. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Lady.
Ow. Oh. Ow. Ow. Oh.
It's 5:30 and the sun
Mommy,
has set.
can I go sing the Tea song
Yeah, of course.
first?
We are going home shortly. Mag-grocery pa kami ng konti. How beautiful is it? Oh, look at that big. Wow, that's massive. What was that, Bob?
Pelican.
No, it's not.
Giant turtle.
Something else.
Albatross.
Gianter. It's Gianter.
Giant turtle.
Hey.
Mommy.
Oh, Lily.
That one says she's got put you see the name or she was a variety. It's the hardest in my Billy Burger. Today won't come a bring a sugar and tea.